Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G appears in a hands-on video. GSMArena.com News, GSMArena.com. Vaccines alone won't be enough to lift pandemic measures quickly, doctor warns, CBC.ca. Geminid asteroid debris set to hit Earth's atmosphere at 130,000 km/h this weekend, Straight.com. Get another glimpse inside the PlayStation 5 with iFixit's new teardown, The Verge. Cyberpunk 2077, CD Projekt Red reportedly changes developers' bonus structure after launch issues, IGN. As the COVID-19 pandemic stretches on, provincial governments are losing support. Canada News, Castanet.net. Ontario businesses say they're in jeopardy as holiday shopping plummets. CTV News. California files to join U.S. antitrust lawsuit against Google, Reuters. Tesla is seeing strong demand but needs to increase production fast, says Elon Musk in leak email. Electrek.co. Here's what's closing in Calgary this weekend due to pending health orders. CBC.ca.